Music has always been considered an art, but what if we could also analyze it scientifically? In this video, we'll explore whether hip songs share common characteristics using data science. My name is Ernesto Ivanovi Arriaga Carvajal. I'm a data scientist and also a musician. Recently, I've been exploring how data analysis can help us better understand music. Today, the music industry relies heavily on algorithms and streaming platforms. But one question remains: do successful songs share musical patterns? To explore this question, I analyzed the dataset of songs using Python. The dataset includes musical features such as tempo, energy, danceability, loudness, and valence. One interesting observation is the distribution of tempo. Many popular songs fall within a tempo range of approximately 100 to 130 BPM. Another interesting pattern appears when we compare energy and danceability. Many successful songs tend to combine relatively high energy with a strong danceability. This doesn't mean there is a strict formula for a hip song, but it suggests that certain musical characteristics appear more frequently in successful tracks. This type of analysis opens a very interesting opportunity. By combining music theory, audio analysis, and data science, we can better understand musical structures. I've been developing tools that analyze music directly from the audio signal itself, not only from streaming data. Music will always remain an art, but data science may help us better understand some of the patterns behind it. If you're interested in the intersection between music and data science, feel free to follow this channel. See ya and have fun.